Hi guys, it's me again and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, ituturo ko sa inyo ang tamang pag-upload ng identity verification sa ating Google AdSense ngayong 2024. Before we start, bago ka pa sa aking YouTube channel, huwag mo nang kalimutan mag-subscribe o click na notification bell para lagi kang ma-notify kapag may bago akong upload sa channel na ito. So let's go back to our main topic. Once malagin mo na yung account sa AdSense guys, so ito yung ma-receive mo. To start earning from AdSense, you need to add your payment info. So yung gagawin natin, itap mo yung action. Then madirect kayo dito guys. So what you need for verification. So, nakita mo yung box, kailangan mo yan i-check para i-agree to the collection, use, retention, and processing of my ID personal data as described in the Google Payment Privacy Notice. So, i-check mo yung box. Then, tap Start Verification. So, dito guys is, enter mo lang yung full name mo. Then, upload proof of identity document. So, select ID type. Dito guys, pwede tayo gumamit ng driver license, passport. So, meron tayong national identity card. So, yun ang gagamitin natin guys. Kapag meron na kayong national ID, so, picturean ninyo siya sa front. Dapat malinaw yung pag-picture ninyo guys. Then, once ma-upload mo na siya, yung next step naman gawin nyo is picturean ninyo din ang back ng ID nyo. Then, kapag tapos na, itap mo lang yung next. So, dito naman guys is enter either what's on your ID of your permanent address. So, dapat guys, hindi kayo magkakamali sa paglagay ng address nyo. Lagyan nyo siya ng street address, postal code, city, and province guys. So, once tapos ka na mag-fill up, i-submit mo lang siya. Itap mo yung submit. Then, ito na siya guys. Ilang minuto lang. Verification successful na siya guys. So, got it? So that's my vlog for this week at sana po nakatulong tong video na ito. And thank you for watching guys and see you in my next video. Bye!